So if I want to use an image as a clickable link, then it's really similar to how we set up every other link. So here I have an anchor tag. The href is the google.com site, and that's just where our destination for the link is going. And you'll see here there's some clickable text. So open it up in another site. All right, so if I click it, it takes me to Google. But if I want instead it to say click here for Google, if I want it to be the image of like the Google logo that I can click, then where this text would normally go right there, I'm going to add a HTML tag for an image. So I'm going to delete that and I'm going to say image source equals, and I already uploaded that Google logo image right there. So in there, I just write that file name, Google logo.png. And I need to close that. I got one too many quotes right there. So you see I have an image tag, and when I load this, boom, and I can refresh this page, and notice there's the logo, and when I move my mouse over it, it turns into a little hand letting me know I can click it. And if I click it, there it goes. So this is now an image that I can click to act like a link.